And again, welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can back up your photos on your Snapchat app, back up your memories on your Snapchat app. And yeah, let's get started. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share our video. And yeah, let's get started. So you will just go to your Snapchat app. Once your app is open, you will just tap on this profile icon on your upper left corner, tap on that icon, and then you will see this gear icon on top of your right corner, top of your profile at the right corner. Tap on that icon, then you will see all these options popped up. Then you will just directly go to this privacy control section and memories option. Tap on that, and then as you can see, you have in storage, you have an option called smart backup. So you have enabled this smart backup, so your all the pictures, all the snaps that you have shared, you have in your Snapchat app will be backed up. So you have to, once you disable this, no longer your backup service will be there, and no longer your photos will be backed up. So you have to make sure your smart backup is enabled. And yeah, now your all the memories, all the pictures that you have shared, that you have in the Snapchat app will be backed up. So that's how you can back up all your photos and memories. And I hope this video has helped you so far. So I'll see you guys next time.